about to roll this dope up. I'm 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 about to roll this dope up. I've been trying to keep it cool, but these niggas break the rules. I'ma break my fucking foot off in your ass. You make a move. Told my brother they keep playing, then I'm bound to make the news. I don't bring no fucking blue. Every day we chasing blue. Do a party and it be like whoop whoop, gas tank, poop poop, plotting on a new coupe. Got a hottie on my body, plotting. Okay, yeah. One thing about it, whenever I get in this bitch, you know what I'm saying? I don't know why, but I like to throw on my ski type shit. But it really be cause I ain't gonna say I don't know why, but I really do know why type shit. And it really be wherever I record that type shit. Cause niggas like me, I'm like a germaphobe type shit. So it's like I don't be wanting like my hair and shit like that, you know what I'm saying, touching that bit. Even though I know it's clean, but it's like, I don't know, in my head I just be like, damn, another nigga just sweating in this shit type shit. Yeah. I don't know, so I always just like, you feel me? And then I could like, I get in that mode like, yo nigga, yeah, it's time to, yeah, you feel me? Yeah.
Or you sit down and talk to it.
Yeah, you feel me? My brother Marco, he out that bit, you know what I'm saying? He out there, but like, he had put me on that shit. At first I ain't like that shit, but then it's like, I feel like I could breathe better and shit like that. Frames off. Ha! Yeah, I'm trying. Say y'all been trying to keep it cool, but these niggas break the rules. I'ma break my fucking foot off in your ass. You make a move. Told my brother they keep playing, then I'm bound to make the news. We don't need no fucking clues, but every day we chasing blues.
Hey, say Dreco. Hey, say Dreco after that.
Damn, you can. Huh?
Say Dreco after that. Like Dreco.
Type shit. You can't move the way I move. You can't fit these fucking shoes. I been on a paper chase. I'm trying to stack 100 blues. I ain't never game bang, but my brother them boo. Making plays, skipping school, trying to find my fucking groove. Nah, no cap. Hold on. Hey, let me redo that. Let me redo that. Bitches got me slurring this. I'm slurring this shit. Let me redo that. Yeah. I've been trying to keep it cool, but these niggas break the rules. I've been break my But these niggas break the rules. I'ma break my fucking foot off on you, man. I've been trying to keep it cool, but these niggas break the rules. I'ma break my fucking foot off on your ass. You make a move. Told my brother they keep playing, then I'm bound to make the news. We don't need no fucking clues, but every day we chasing blues. Damn, I've been trying to keep it cool, but these niggas break the rules. I'ma break my fucking foot off in your ass. You make a move. Told my brother they keep playing, then I'm bound to make the news. We don't need no fucking clues, but every day we chasing blues. Nah, you can't move the way I move. You can't fit these fucking shoes. I been on a paper chase. I'm trying to stack 100 blues. I ain't never game bang, but my brother them boo. Making plays, skipping school, trying to find my fucking groove. And I had fell in love with money cause I like the way it move. Catch me in a lunch line waiting on some new food. Back here might throw a party in it, bitch like whoop whoop. Gas tank, poop poop. Bring it back. And I had fell in love with money cause I like the way it move. Catch me in a lunch line waiting on some new food. Pack hit might throw a party in it, bitch like whoop whoop. Gas pit, fuck. Gas tank, whoop. I had fell in love with money cause I like the way it move. Catch me in a lunch line waiting on some new food. Pack hit might throw a party in it, bitch like whoop whoop. Gas tank, poop poop. Plotting on a new coupe. Gas, fuck. Got a hottie on my body. And I had fell in love with money cause I like the way it move. Catch me in a lunch line waiting on some new food. Pack hit might throw a party in it, bitch like whoop whoop. Gas tank, poop poop. Plotting on a new coupe. I got a hottie on my, bring it back. Got a hottie, I gotta pronounce that bitch. Gas, poop poop. And I had fell in love with money cause I like the way it move. Catch me in a lunch line waiting on some new food. Pat bit. And I had fell in love with money cause I like the way it move. I just been trying to keep it cool, but these niggas break the rules. I'ma break my fucking foot off in your ass. You make a move. Told my brother they keep playing, then I'm bound to make the news. We don't leave no fucking clues, but every day we chasing blues. Say I been trying to keep it cool, but these niggas break the rules. I'ma break my fucking foot off in your ass. You make a move. Told my brother they keep playing, then I'm bound to make the news. We don't leave no fucking clues, but every day we chasing blues. Nigga. I've been trying to keep it cool, but these niggas break the rules. But these niggas break the rules. You made a then I'm no. Yo, but these niggas, what? You make a move, then I'm bound to make the news. No, yo, go. I'm trying to stack 100 blues, but my brother them boo. go. Fucking go. What? Damn. Hold on. Shh. What? Damn. Okay. Okay. Damn. For real? What? Damn. What? For real? Fucking foot off of your ass. Make the news. Fucking cool. Hey, delete the where on both of them where I said nigga gone. Delete both of them and then punch me in. Let me say some shit. Yeah, delete both of those shits. I ain't like that. Gone. I'm trying to keep it cool, but these niggas break the rules. I'm break my fucking foot off in your ass and make a move, nigga. To my brother, they keep playing, and I'm bound to make the nigga. I got most man to move, nigga. Get down, go. Haha. And I let that boy Zach cook that shit up, Quay.
No, you did that in 17 minutes. 15 minutes. We came in at 11:03.
Took too damn long. Kept fucking up. I was trying to do that shit with these damn goals and my shit was slurring.
Every say man, you know what I'm saying? Free my nigga bitch, man. Watch bitch, don't watch me. Yeah.
I've been trying to keep it cool, but these niggas break the rules. I'ma break my fucking foot off of your ass, you make a move. Told my brother they keep playing, and I'm bound to make the news. We don't need no fucking clues, but every day we chasing blues. Trying to keep it cool, but these niggas break the rules. I'ma break my fucking foot off in your ass, you make a move. Told my brother they keep playing, and I'm bound to make the news. We don't need no fucking clues. I've been trying to keep it cool, but these niggas break the rules. I'ma break my fucking foot off of your ass, you make a move. Told my brother they keep playing, and I'm bound to make the news. We don't need no fucking clues, but every day we chasing blues. Trying to keep it cool, but these niggas break the rules. I'ma break my fucking foot off in your ass, you make a move. Told my brother they keep playing, and I'm bound to make the news. We don't need no fucking clues, but every day we chasing blues. You can't move the way I move, you can't fit these trying to keep it cool, got a hottie on my body, cause it loose, foot loose. Waiting on some new food. Can't hit my throw a party in this bitch like woo woo. I know how to hit them angles, got a baby up too. Why the fuck I gotta lie to yeah, tryna make these niggas more mad, got my foot on top they neck. I ain't even did shit yet and they keep telling me I'm next. Oh, that's a bet. I'm on the rise, but I've been feeling like a vet. Still taking calls collect, still trusting by the punch me in after I said still feeling like a vet. Yeah, still taking calls collect, still stressing by the check, still fucking around with bitches who ain't got no self-respect. Fuck a nigga a bitch cause he was distancing the threats. I ain't never been the type to do no beefing on the net. Where you at? Center flat. Tryna fuck over that boy and that's a fact. I'ma send it first cause no it ain't no sitting back. Screaming for the cap cause we been hunting for a hat. Punch me in after I'ma send it first cause no it ain't no sitting back. Screaming for the cap. Yeah, I'ma send it first, but it ain't no sitting back. Screaming for the cap cause we been bring it back. Screaming for the cap cause we been hunting for a hat. I know a nigga doing magic trips, he poof and bring it back. Spontaneous I came in that bit wrong. Screaming for the cap cause we been hunting for a hat. I know a nigga doing magic tricks, he poof and bring it back. Spontaneous decision, pay the bond and get him. Hold on. I know a nigga doing magic tricks, he poof and bring it back. Spontaneous decision. I know I keep coming that bitch late. I know a nigga doing magic tricks, he poof and bring it back. Spontaneous decision, pay the bond and get him. This shit ain't punch me in that. Punch me in after that pause. Nigga doing magic tricks, he poof and bring it back. Here's this. Now, let me redo that. I gotta do the clap again. Yep. Spontaneous. Spontaneous. One more time. Damn, we got clap, pussy ass. Go straight. Can't hear. Alright, then punch in and keep it going. Shit ain't premeditated off the head, I get 'em. Shit ain't premeditated off the head, I never. Shit ain't premeditated off the head, I never fake it. Shit ain't premeditated off the head, I never faked it. Sit back until my time was on my grind, a nigga waited. Would've never fucking made it without the niggas who had hated it. Got money on my mental, shit that keep me motivated. Shit keep me loose. Inside my body. Shit that keep me sedated. Go back. And I got drugs inside my body, shit that keep a boy sedated. Reason I'm sedated. And I got drugs inside my body, shit that keep that boy sedated. Shit that keep the kid sedated. I got drugs inside my body, shit that keep the kid sedated. Keep me motivated, and I got drugs inside my body, shit that keep the kid sedated. And I got drugs inside my body, shit that keep the kids sedated. I started catching motion, then I see them niggas hating. I see them niggas faking. Why them niggas playing? Playing on my name, they on my top like I'm... My mind, shit that keep me motivated. And I got drugs inside my body, shit that keep the kids sedated. Alright, bring it back. And I got drugs inside my body, shit that keep the kids sedated. I started getting motion and I seen them niggas hating. I seen them niggas fading, so I been acting jaded. I'll bring it back. Ooh. And I got drugs inside my body, shit that keep the kids sedated. Fuck. And I got drugs inside my body, shit that keep the kids sedated. I started getting motion and I watched them niggas faded. Watched them niggas hated. And I got drugs inside my body, shit that keep the kids sedated. I started getting motion and I watched them niggas fading. I been acting jaded. I been feeling jaded. I ain't never And I got drugs inside my body, shit that keep the kids sedated. I started getting motion and I watched them niggas faded. I been feeling jaded. I can't even fake it. I been on my own, I'm on my grind, I'm trying to make it. Start putting money in my pockets, now I got little baby naked. I can't even lie, tell the truth, this shit amazing. I can't even lie to tell the truth, this shit amazing. Start putting money in my pockets, now I got little baby naked. I can't even lie to tell the truth, this shit amazing. Start putting money in my jeans and now I got little baby naked. Start putting money in my jeans and now I got little baby naked. Start putting money in my jeans and now I got little baby naked. I can't even lie to tell the truth, this shit amazing. Type, do no this, no that, nigga. I'm talking about lay at. I'm trying to send a fucking flat, man. Got my foot on top of their neck. What? Huh? Okay. Yo. Feeling like a, yo. Damn. Whew. Who ain't got no self-respect, nah. This is in the dirt, yo. This one, no. Huh. Man, that's a fact, yo. Turn for a hat, yeah. And get a clap. Woo. Nah. A nigga waited. No. You. Damn. Yeah. For real. Yeah. Damn. This shit amazing. Got my foot on top of their neck. And they keep... That on this. What? But I've been... Damn. Who ain't got no... No. Yeah. No. No.